Your range hood has powerful airflow, so why does smoke still escape? The answer lies in the science of smoke purification. First, the extraction distance must be short. Hood on. Smoke rising during everyday cooking. Visible smoke is captured. What about invisible low particles? Are they captured too? A PM 2.5 monitor is used to measure invisible low smoke. Traditional split-range hoods fail to fully capture invisible O particles. That's because once they leave the cookware, they quickly disperse and settle. Split-range hood. Extraction distance too long. Smoke not fully captured. Marssenger integrated stove. 15 cm low-level purify extraction. Effectively captures visible low smoke, and more importantly, captures invisible low particles as well. Second, the negative pressure zone must be effective. Laser testing is used to observe smoke flow behavior. Traditional split range hood shows an obvious smoke escape. The negative pressure zone of a split range hood is large, but it fails to fully cover the smoke diffusion area. Smoke escapes. The negative pressure zone of the Marssenger integrated stove fully covers the smoke diffusion path. Smoke escapes. Does airflow equal smoke extraction performance? With the same airflow, why does an integrated stove deliver more powerful smoke extraction? Because airflow velocity has a more direct impact on smoke purification performance. Higher airflow velocity draws smoke into the exhaust inlet more quickly per unit time. Smoke no longer escapes. An anemometer is used to measure airflow velocity. The airflow velocity of the integrated stove is 3 times faster than that of a split-range hood. Marssenger integrated stove, high airflow velocity for rapid smoke extraction. Finally, smoke purification performance also depends on the exhaust structure. Each additional bend reduces exhaust airflow by 10% to 15%. The integrated stove uses a downdraft exhaust system, a shorter, straighter path, with smooth smoke extraction and exhaust. Therefore, the criteria for choosing a range hood are: capture visible white smoke, and invisible low particles. For effective smoke purification, consider extraction distance, effective negative pressure zone, airflow velocity, and exhaust structure. Marssenger integrated stove with 15 cm low-level purify extraction, effective negative pressure zone, high airflow velocity, and optimized exhaust structure. Committed to fully solving kitchen smoke problems. Clean smoke capture, no smoke clinging to you. Enjoy cooking in comfort.